Ghana reached Nigeria, then Ben they wear jacket. Ever since Ghana, you link up with Ghana, t-shirt song, really well, because you kind of say, yo, whether now woman, you know, the guy man since no be abordino, you know, be your luxury brand we buy, there be you. It's way beyond that. But you know, we understand. You could think say, oh, plastic. You say make the well legit. Now they start well legit too. Now you get something else. Say no, it's deeper than that. Yeah, legit. But people know how to wear them and when to wear them. You understand? Yeah. Them way there. Anyway. Richard, coming at the police. Which Ibrahim they asked me say which Ghanaian artist am I impressed with fit level? It's the same old people, you know. There'll be the D Money, but D Money is not musically active. So yeah, I'll be the no still, you know. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'll be the no still, you know. Like I go mention my clients them, but due to go where Bini for some show, I'm like, anybody name Fiona, you know. They wear Bini because you want color coordinate with your sneakers. By force, you know, go wear some yellow beanie. So dead, you know. Can I tell you outfits for the shows too? I don't like. You me plug the goose, but I don't like how they put them together. You know, I don't like. So, what I say, you see, the things I just tell you, see, the team me they do. What I say, like, it's not yeah. Because I go fit give my body credit and try put myself in there. Because me they do them. But yo, if my people they do ya, my people they do ya. You understand? Yeah. Can I tell the boots way there they were £700, £700 plus. The Rico wins Dr. Martin's collab. But the way you put them together, I don't like. I don't like. You know, the plan was say I go when the time reach, I go, but the time reach, nobody call me. When me a day, I go see the outfit from way. I'm like, bro, where all these nice things like this? You know, combine them some way with the ball, but you know, what I say. But you go think, oh, your man there, if you then you do so, if you be in the plug you there. When I see those comments, I they vex. I'm like, bro, who you think say you talk to? If you don't buy for Ampere, no, you say you be banku. Hey, banku, bro. Why you don't be asked if you buy for me, bro? If you buy for me, where you know where I'm right, if I depress you. What about that? If you buy for me, where you know where I'm right, if I depress you. You know how long me I start plucking at her? I been plucking at her since 2019. Within that time till now, you know how many times we me I press Kinata? You know when people they make those comments, they laugh. Some of you actually they believe say be the plug up a day. Shoelace a man because I always the big arm up because he was smart to learn quick. I know for bigger mob. For bigger mob, no, because he the plug up. I know plug up with the shoelace before. Shoelace coming to me ma do that. Shoelace safe. I know sell some for before. But yeah, you do people just want to stand on something to defend your Jimmy Sam. Then you talk some, you come up with some lie. Me too, I don't have time to come argue with you. I just go block you. I just go block you, bro. Obede. Me, I'm not do any money exchange for goods before. Never. Not even a shoelace, not even socks, bro. But yeah, because I will give him credit for knowing when and where Jimmy Pogo come up with some lie and use it as oh, if you in the plug up it, that be why he always say if you know buy for amp and you say be banco. He be banco, I be banco, bro. Yeah. Charlie Chris. What Wado come do for you, bro? Why, you know, they very randomly drop Wado, name drop Wado there somewhere. Yeah. Yeah, Wado get cool relationship. But anytime we are depress him. When you do you want to depress him. So you know be face look. Oh. Bro, me many artists are shada yaka. So I go fit do this thing. Oh, you know that you see how deep the thing be. Me and some artists stop talk, stop link. Because I for fit do the thing and not watch face and talk say and not think say, oh, my guy. You understand? The first time I press your stone boy, he messaged me say, oh, if you see something, for fit DM me, DM you. How about that? You understand? Yeah. No, what's vexing me, guys? What do you call me? They Charlie right now there. You try, you do you make popular, they talk your name, but you know, who be now, you know, if I take show, if we like basically if I do the thing like for the link and oh if I buy this, you know, no bro, come on. If you want make I do something, if I tell me say I go like me, but don't set up the thing like me if I'm shout. If you be ego, it's bigger ego here, you know. Man, a Leo, you know, like proper Leo. Maybe it's a lion, po. I know be just Leo. I they look like lion. You know they see. They see they my head big. Bro, and, you know, ego no there, bigger on the side, you know. For real. For real, bro. But anyway. I beg the guy will send request to accept them. No, you just can't take screenshot. I beg, make one afford me. I can't make an offer, man. I beg you are. Oh, Jimmy. I beg you are. Make one afford me. I can't make a block 'em. You know, they be they really simple. They won't come take screenshot and they go like they be speaker for fire taking space stuff. Shots more like big scanty and the blood clap, please. Ole big scanty. Kill and papa.
Man like fire.
Man like big scanty. This I see your people new video when and where was right. You know, these are retweet and things. You know, me I dey pre everything. You know.
I know, right? I mean, the one way we buy, you see, I don't even talk about that.
Yeah, it's like that.
Someday you talk about that, but come out, you see, right? You say,
oh yeah, me I see everything. You know, when I like you or my guy, I they actually they pay attention. You understand? Because I for show support. Yeah, because you be my person. I for support. You know,
yeah, you
but
don't discriminate.
what I say? Yeah, what I say? For real, bro. For real.
Yeah.
Charlie, but how the Christmas they go for Ghana?
So how we go do me, I know be Christmas person or I know be outfit person already. So
okay.
Just be normal days.
Yeah.
Yeah. But then as it be Christmas, I just take mics ago. Today I won't give you Christmas or be the name. Christmas show.
It's like that.
I get my man be around, so we go arrange on our body and give you some Christmas show.
I got some cool. Oh yeah, we wanna mind it. We will listen, bro.
Yeah, we will give you. So we the fix on our body cam now. We can set my speaker up and
no, yeah, we there. Man like Jenna at the blood clap, please.
They around, so we the cam.
So what am I? We there with you, bro. And then you stream you, bro. Yeah, stream is bro. Boxing day, forget. We there.
Alright, you're about to see.
Cool.
Merry Christmas to everybody with the.
Bless up, bro. Merry Christmas, bro. It's like that. You know? Oh, those comments I want to see the vex. Because I know myself, bro. You know? Bro, me, I dash with friendships and, you know? Because I know one be biased. You know? So when you come try to do like, oh, if you're not the buy for one, if like come spend 50 billion, now I could share in some way. And I said, go talk some meetings and see if I don't go press you out. Maybe a space amount, not my mouth. May yes snap a mouth quickly. And find me how much you spend though. Where our guy? You go collect. I don't care how much you spend for my side. Me share hold more. Bro, no the boys they know your man they know they kiss us on show. You know see you self. They know. If you do, you go collect. Hot. Bro, forget, bro. Forget. When I see those coming, I'm like, bro, look at this fool, bro. So if you don't buy from, I'm not every banco. Hey, banco, bro. Banco. Yeah, if you don't buy from me person better. You know, I don't want to make you buy it for me, bro. Bro, me that my clients be selected few, like you know the ones like, bro. Why a lucky people sell him clients? Why a lucky people? That's the way me are off my website. Websites for me are off them. What I say, if you go buy thing for me, for message me and then I go check your guy man level. You know, I go check your guy man level and since before you beat me anything. You know, we say when you because you get money, sure. So now selected few they do on WhatsApp, you know. Make drop your pictures from now I show. Won't be in our part, then you message me. I want this, and yeah. So you know be anybody with a plug, you understand? And your plug to be me, they watch, they learn the job. All your plugs, nobody they with your plugs or me no more. Sound po. Obi a plug me ba. If me talk am, or is it you? If me, Obi a plug me ba. You know, if you see something where you can't ask me say how much, you can't ask me say, what's why I will get them. So I sound me. Me na me can. Only what would them? For me, ba. For be humble, you know. What's big do? Big if you moderator, you know, make you over talk, you know. This is the credits they give you, but cool down, bro. You know, be small. Oh yeah, but yeah, that was we already talked about it, you know. So that's why Big Detail is a cool down because we already talked about it. Say the smoke in show in Alpha was sensible, you know. Bro, you have more credit too. The credit we don't go, bro. We don't go see good thing and on look unless you really really debore me, you know. Unless you really really debore me, like you now you wait Jimmy too much. Yeah, that be when we will free do you do good thing we want look. But around that, we, bro, if you spot it, we'll big you up. Say yo, your man in same yard. I already talk about Joe being fit for cook smoking show. You know, so yeah, all that. For how you see the Zama performance. Mazama Disco. I don't really watch the full thing. The small way I see, not bad, you know. Not bad. I don't like calm. Oh yeah, we smoke outfit was trash. Yeah. 100%. 100%. Trash. You know? Trash. The boots one was worse. You know, the leather boots and the leather pants. Worst one. Oh god. You know? Meanwhile, I bet my 18 shorts be in sneaker. No, that's you. It looks good on you. You know, you I feel say me not to say find himself, but still I be like you know find yourself still. Because that it gets some music video way then the McLaren and things like that outfit was decent. You know, and even it be like the familiar show your outfit decent, you know, bro. And then you know the time it come out from the sky inside, that that hoodie, it wasn't needed, bro. It wasn't needed, you know. I don't know. In my mind, maybe they feel say simple is whack, you know, or simple with sign of poverty or something. I think that's what they think, you know. I feel that that's what they think. some weird stuff, bro. If you want to do costume, you go fit do costume and it will be nice. Like you want to do BBI, some different thing. Bernard do some costume, some green shining thing. Wasn't it when and where? It was. It was, But bro, Charlie, bro. They feel when they are hosting a show, they have to overdress. Stupid, bro. You see that boy, I will choose Obido over them, no? Because Obido, you do the show with nice. FO do the show with Ona. Come on, big show. You they do Rollins, that the general, the Colonel Shada, big show. Which level? Because Independence Square now, sir. I don't know where we. Many by party. Full force. Full force. I'm going Papa. New Fools. No, it'll be New Fools. No, that be that change the name. New Fools. Flag bearer. Ket, thank you very much. Ket say they should learn from Chris Brown. Costume with dancers cry, be decent. We get the internet too. We have the internet. We see this. So what are you watching? You are the shock. We all have the internet. We've seen the Chris Brown videos. I posted it. If you don't see yourself, I'll made about forefront, bro. I use my data to download good videos like that and share it for you to see. Because I want me to see something. Say it can be done, and it looks good, Oh God. Yeah, Asemo. Now been coming at the place. Charlie, you stream you forget. Only Twitch. That's so. More down. Guys, not, Now be I'll meet your body here.
Uncle.
Now be what everything cool.
Everything cool. I agree to you.
Bless up, bro.
We do everything the whole year. Still there on a laptop.
Hard.
You dey step, you dey teach me, you dey get me.
Hard.
Everything some. So I don't want big you.
And most importantly, I they walk the talk. Because we say I they tell people to do something and I they do the otherwise.
Facts.
You understand?
So
you see, that be one thing where people, I don't know if people don't notice or something, like, bro, I they walk the talk, bro. Like every single, bro. Niggas like bongo ideas. I'm not saying in your head you have some serious ratings for me, because bongo ideas bring something with me. I turn it down way in head. You go see say no plastic too much. You understand? You go see say enye kasa. It be deeper than kasa. You understand? We would walk. I don't even walk the talk. I run the talk, But now when you spot it, I blow my own horns. But sometimes I blow my own thing, because niggas.
sometimes we'll do them.
Niggas no money from out. They don't have enough air to blow the horn for me, so me not for blow.
Sometimes we'll do them. Yes, I mean, I know we talk plenty. Just be some few questions where I don't want to ask you. First of all, I go start with ask you the dancehall head. You know dancehall inside. 31st, you go predict some few songs you think say your man go do. Wale.
Why they do some show?
Jamaica, for Catholic show. I've been thinking about it for some time. I said, Charlie, I know say Wale get hard dancehall songs. That one there for fact. I know say, but I just wonder what songs, how your man go perform. Like, I just wonder, try.
Because you be live band,
You get the whole thing. So I just ask myself, the rehearse with songs you could drop and all that.
But I should say you go use sound system. They go play amp. You go use DJ, sorry.
Or maybe you don't know Wale in songs, but if you check what like off the top, maybe 2 songs you think say your man go fit take sport there for that side. Who you know?
I don't know, but you could definitely try sing like proper dancer. You don't go do poop and things.
All right. We over the year, the whole year 2024, what you would talk say be your most impressive GH act like artist? What you do will impress you? Who impress you the most? Apart from Obede, because you know say definitely go be Obede, but anything what you see will impress you coming from GH music scene. Then the most Yawa one. Just these two way I don't want to know from you. Then I just go left up.
Impress.
So what you see coming from GH where you feel like, I'm impressed with this.
I don't lie to you. I respect how familiar one elevate, you know. But I see that thing where you talk where you make it bore me. That's a comparison, you know. But I like the fact that familiar, you know, when you watch in background where they come from and how it try step up, it be very admirable, you know. I don't go lie. Yeah, Peter Liba. You know, boom, you know, all them things, you know. So yeah, I don't like familiar step up, you know, familiar step up. The wackest. The wackest. I don't lie you, the corset thing was whack by redeeming body as with time, you know. The corset vibes was downgrade, you know.
Yeah.
Charlie, somebody get it too. Somebody said the same thing for here, you know. But yeah, somebody said the same thing for here. But King what? King Chips, you know. Yeah, that was a low grade, but you know, he redeemed body with time. And because listen, everybody for here expected more from Blacko. Like Blacko no elevate from first sermon and second sermon, you know, and then the song like Soldier, we no see no elevation. You know, if anything, he fall back like a big tree, more reverse instead of forward. What I say? That thing slow down. Like the Blacko brand, the speed where they take them, no, slow motion. You know, slow motion. Play the slow motion come inside. So yeah.
Like in leg left the gas stop.
You understand?
Stop, yeah. All right, so fire, yeah, that be the few things that I don't know. You know, already.
Yeah, so family broke. Family put in work, you know. But see, that be GH artist for you. You go do some good thing, then you go take him more for, you go take some behavior sport, the whole thing. You know, because bro, you're trying. You don't need to come and tell us, oh, Uncle Fonny, your mind is so moon here. They are a second and no be a debut. They are second and they are no. Difference is so. I'm a I can't focus difference the woman soon. But we see what you do. We see say you try step up. We just see it's very we just see. But you know they reach where you think they reach now. So cool down.
Yeah.
You know.
If somebody say Asake versus Ashile.
You know, what I say, because you said, bro, that way you bro, relax. Oh yeah, there. You see say you try step up, you the image and everything, you do. But then I say. You know,
I think for me, he left the things where they come out from his mouth, but in terms of how he move and thing, the music.
For real.
You the interview cry now. I say, I can't know where one thing you talk way back. Sometimes artists for the watch interviews, you just take time. Just watch other people.
Bro, but listen, it be for tell you, hey, what you in the part of your work, it's either you're performing or you're granting interviews. You should be good at those things, bro. Yes. So if you don't be good at it, you for learn.
Yes, because Charlie, 8 out of 10 or 7 out of 10, it could be the same questions you could go meet. It be this cause. So just watch, see how the person they go about it. You know, oh, it be nice. It be they go on. Then you just pick, practice. Then you guys, if you come out your music, because some people will like you based on how you sound.
Exactly. And bro, right now the way pop culture big, no, it be important. Say if you know how to grant interviews. You they win a lot of fans of interviews right now because of pod. It's big. Bro, but I can tell you recent pod with the fix. Very interesting. 2 hours conversation. Extremely interesting, bro. You know how many fans Vibes Cartel will win of that interview because he know how to talk. He's very intelligent, very hilarious.
So, Uncle,
Bless up.
big up yourself.
All right, the superstar camp. Vibe is like that. Shout out to my like segment on the place. So segment, it's been a while. Everything cool. Take my keeper. No, it's small. Right, best canteen on the place. Only entertainment can cry, you know. Yeah, Charlie, it's me by and I artists are passing through my, you know. Crazy, bro. It's not all. Forget everybody. Who him? This country, forget. Yourself. Yourself, bro. More than I grow. More than I grow. I tell you, bro. You know? I tell you, bro. Crazy.
I grew. That's a try.
That's a try, bro. I tell you.
Okay.
I don't mean to violate anything, but I feel say what Familia said, he was thinking about the language in which he wasn't. He actually said your emotion mishibi. You know, if come on, bro, we get sense. Come on, you the fans, you don't do that thing. We all have ears and sense, bro. He say the ashake be amiyebi. The ocean mishibi. You know, or Mikatsuso. He said it. He go fashion level and everything. Everything. He want to see whatever ashake they do. He they do something. That be where the yawade. That be where the yawade. That be where the yawade. But he could have just highlighted and said, "Oh, bro, so what should me brand now to say I'm coming him." That's enough. You know, that be modest and enough. You know, and it's obvious. What couldn't him? You know, but when you try take the thing hit where you know reach, it the ball, it made the thing people watch you like well. What's it there? You know, then now they not say. For me, background I could say now what's it there? Oh, Saudi, you baby. You know? Oh, then. And you won't say what? Zozo. For me, background say they are Canadian one. So Zozo, they are Canadian, bro. Long. Zozo. If I be PR for Ziggy, you know Ziggy? Ziggy, boom, 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 boom. You stay waiting. Charlie, but the girl where she do the singer town, they are honey home. Say first one on hype no Koni trim. She won't do them again. Charlie, I ask you, mama about you ain't few, bro. Forget. Whoever that more, who try, who can say you will be very disappointed. Who baby, you know not normal. Say all the entrance you get, you get them again. You the craze. Go feel na koye nkwan. Free glass him. No, be small. Let him get into your head, you know. No, be small.
We there with you.
Yeah, we too. They wait you.
Oh, all right. We could start something with you.
You
Start something with you.
know, it's small. Why not?
Yeah. We there with you.
They should learn from.
Well, like greetings,
Jenna, I hear that. You enter?
Yeah, man.
Man, like Jenna at the place, bro.
Yeah, man.
Serious dancehall
Merry
artist, you know.
to everybody there for real.
Bless
All
up.
lives.
Bless up.
Yeah.
Bless up.
Full force.
Yeah, man.